I'm going to demolish a broken 2DS.
Oh no, let's sell it.
What? It's broken.
Oh.
It doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just feel like destroying it.
I'm sad that Justin's leaving.
Yeah. Oh well. First item, wood. Does not seem to be doing very much damage. Nope, it's not doing that much damage. Okay, so I don't know what else to do. Wait, I think I should get my. Oh wow! Oh wow! There. I should really just like
Make sure you can clean up the mess when you're done.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to shut this door. Okay, here we go. It's not doing any damage, like at all. By the way, guys, this is broken. So, yeah. It's gonna be pretty boring for you guys, but I'm going to get something. I'm gonna see if this will work on it. So dark out here, sorry about that, but let's try this one. Okay, it might be a little too big though, so here we go. Hope you can see that. I can't, oh there. Ugh. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna stab it. Ugh. Oh god, that did damage. That did a little dent there. Oh wow, that one of the pieces of the screwdriver fell off. But okay, let's keep going. Ugh. All these things are falling off. I'm just gonna. Ugh. Ow, this is hurting my hands so much. This is. I hope you can see that. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that's doing some damage on the freaking joystick. I don't know if you can see that, but the joystick's all like fudged up. I'm gonna focus this. There, okay. It's hard to get at like the right angle, but I'm gonna keep stabbing in the hole by the joystick. Oh, I got the joystick off. And now it has like no joysticks, so that is cool. Just gonna keep stabbing through that hole. Oh my gosh, this is so boring. Probably boring for you guys, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I think I'm just gonna end it here and do episode 2. See ya.